So just as we showed before on the x-rays, okay, both your taluses are out. Okay, so let's get this one first. A little more. There's one. First metatarsal is out, second cuneiform is out, cuboid's out. Okay, let's get to all of it. That was a little slippery. Okay, we'll get that. This one here. There's that clunker. Let it go. There's that fella. There's that fella. Cuboid. There's that fella. Relax the foot, a little more. There's that big clunker. And let's get this cuboid out as well. There's the other one. Okay, this calcaneus is out. Now it's moving.